What went wrong? What went wrong? What went wrong? I gave it a video. What went wrong? Guys, share this program. What went wrong? Hey! Doshi. What went wrong? What happened? What went wrong? What went wrong? What went wrong? Chimezie, go and hide your face. You born bandits, go and hide your face. I was surprised that you couldn't come out yesterday to tell us what happened to the last court date. Even as you are now, as it is now, you don't even know whether it's May ending or a bullet to June. You don't even know because you were fool. Because you were him, man. Look at how you are lying. A good race gonna what's up because I'm a fool like half four. Udele man with people with the Sowegi. Do you know when people started digging? Let me bring you one movie. Hold on. Ima, you don't know nothing. That's why I don't do WhatsApp group. Mama, you will never see me do WhatsApp group again. I know na me may I know. Enemy can join you to be your partner. Udele, let me shock you. The same. Yeah, they are denying. The person not on the account when they send the message, they are denying the account. And the group, yeah, the person just sent me a message. They are denying the account and the group. No. Onya, a bit. Let me tell you. Onya, I want to show you something. In my Iwubugu. I'm going to make the portal again. Yeah, the same person did a petition against you na Istanbul police forward through my BG. So why are they denying it? I don't know. Maybe Jimma or ya send dere. Let me tell you about the detail. Or what time? Go no give onya my die hearts. Onya my die hearts. Oh ya will do this. Oh mo ano karage. Oh mo ano karage in Istanbul before bulage. Get you know okay, there you here. Here, 27th 11/2020. Listen, back at the day petition, and they had to call me. I said yes, I'm the person needing me threatening. Nigerian Police Force Headquarters, Louis Goshi ED in a house, Shedrack or Wade, whatever they layer. I'm not lying to who it may concern. Yeah, 20 guinea. Yeah, petition. They did against you when I'm in Istanbul. We can die pop wela. Omuwa bulara. Aburange do mu anu ganuge. And when him again making one putra ni me. Abange yan chomana. Imchoge ishigi banala ogaba. What a loss. There, come baggy. Come remind Diagi, maybe you have forgotten. Let me turn this camera. Can who's your former? Show me make sure I had the person put on. Let me show you the petition again from Istanbul 2020. Layer, I'm gonna listen. Like why here? Going off from a layer 27, don't she 27/11 the fire. Can you make put your petition here? Now with the threats and the knife Iji. Now my die-hard followers is sogi. They am Ogechi. Now we petition a delegate on Oji honor. Ehone. I wasn't lying. The same person on our WhatsApp group from the Tembishi Batana, Tembishi Pata here, up to Rugeko, Bana Trugeko, for you to trust him. Now they will relax. Trust why. Some of your voice notes in a leaking by an Ahego, KG Merali. Yes. Oh, you want to leak it in here. Now listen, let me tell you one thing. You denying it is a shame to you. Let me show you. Leia, yeah, put your hand off forward to human trafficking case then, Lequire. Ihone. Yeah, Chamma, Ndi send my passport to get. Mahum juga passport to get for the level Ogechi. Ebea no here. Mana jo passport to get. Lequire. So today no be ma who today matagena in a deny was subgroup again. You lebaya. Egori nenda o lagleya na screenshot ya na sendere me. Iti. Ine me buogi. They are denying the account, the group. I joined the group through Udele page. Undiluted truth post by them. So why are they let me turn it. They're going off from and do shinama. Lepa. Get out here. Oh, you want screenshot to all these things next Sunday. You wish you won your sh. Here they may soon. Here they merun. Here they merun. Udele woni here. Okay, them what he did with the account. So nobody should pay in anymore. Can you that all window shin with the account? Because and you would on those shank and man announce now have no nobody should pay. Oh. Nobody should pay. Let me hear you. Motion.
The phone was secured, but then those who are tech savvy knows there are ways you can insert some, little bit of software within the charging port, and they can extract information. That is how they got hold of that information. Every number they are publishing on that WhatsApp group, these are likely numbers that were on Ijele's contacts. Guys, if you see that WhatsApp group, go through it. Check if your number is on it.
I agree to build beauty.
Operate in America, but if we're to be here in the UK, simply I know how to report that to the relevant authority, not even the police, because of what data.
Now let me educate you. You need Ijele school, but I don't think you are well learned. You don't need to be in America to report anything you want to report. And when you hear about international reports. You can be anywhere. As far as you believe, you can even be in Nigeria. You must not be in a developed country. UK, you make a report, you file it. When must you be, or when people, okay, let me just withdraw that part. Let's assume that the thing is difficult to do. Don't you have group of Ijele nation, non-America, that can report it? Even a group people that support Udele, that based in America, can they do the job you couldn't do because they won't come with money? Can they function? Can they live by example and put on hold to what I'm doing? As you claim though that who's with the thing, I greet you, Zion. I greet you, man of God. Can't you? You see how you rub yourself mold on your face. You're trying to lie and cover all your lies. You keep falling. You keep disgracing yourself the more. Must you be in America to report what the crime that Anna committee here? Let's assume that one is difficult for you. Don't you have Ijele nation here? Or Ijele out of here? And we have people in America now support here. As soon as they for that group, anyone America now support here that can do the job your incompetent self couldn't handle. As you're incompetent, as incompetent you are. As you come we are one that I'm when left and right here. Let other men handle lawyer. Or are you that weak? Are you that a fool? And if it's in America, if you know that it's a crime, do the needful and stop fooling your old age. Putting up a face that you know that the lie you are lying will corner you soon. Do she kri.
Protection is something that is strictly confidential. But let them not worry, they will soon run themselves into trouble. You know, I don't base in America.
You don't need to base here. You daft. You don't need to base here. Okay, every time this is what you say, we're gonna run ourselves into trouble. You're gonna run ourselves into then allow us to run ourselves into trouble. I've been in this game for how many years? I come in America. Why can't you deal and do shin and damn again have way more price to ham Ogechi down? Iwit, they could hear sound like unya price of primary school. I'm no spoon and wake banuru. And wake when it common sense. None of you guys when a common thing of faculty.
I don't live in America. I don't know how the law works in America, but if you're to
oh God, can somebody throw cap for my husband? My husband was in Nigeria. We hold the law, make England, make US, make Canada. Yeah, was somebody the well learned. You read, you do research, dumbass. You are dumb. You just went to England to learn how to speak English. That is all. Majority of who know in England, or the kuhunu jagalo, kuhunu they perfect in speaking English, but no common sense. Or him notice it. Hey, it be manager in day. So, as you claim that you are well informed, do you know that my husband read? Oh, a man that is well informed, you can't deceive that man. This man read. Anything in the name of one, and I make news and get him on Facebook. But he my husband, he reads. Oh, he man work pan school. So, the one nigga, oh yeah, but them naming me flood na Dubai. Oh yeah, wanna remember bait. He name the whole world. You don't know the law in America. He name Buogi. He name Buogi. All these developed countries, they mark their law. As it is now, my husband make Canada. O make no US, o make no England. Here wo work in Nigeria. O work Igbo go to school, let's school aba facha hanishi. Yene begin me porno na ko inyo. When na wo work wicked men, wo come meaning. Look at how you're opening your mouth. You don't learn now in America. While you want to get to Kweme, you cannot search the law and read. Come on, shut your trash. And again, I saw English. English again now just came with English. Okay, so I can a buru in England. That's English. I should have so plain English. I saw everything will go. And where can brain in on Ishi? Not at all. Majority of the things some who got from England. That's why honey neja baka like we can up on when bunch of emptiness. I want to catch a listen to it. At this age, in my own laws that again we apprehend the on a worse headache, Ogechi. On a worse pain. And I couldn't them up who for Ghana by a war. In my own what to read and bring out auto nine. Then in the morning make come to me. Auto me we can break common sense. They lack it. He bring Grigwanya down it. Talk him. You a fool. But they man how to lie and put off face and deny on a criminality, on a thief, on a scamming period on online. Dosh. So then listen.
Based in UK, I guarantee her she has already run herself into trouble with the law.
Imagine, you guarantee me. You guarantee me. Hire lawyer. But they may joke. You that is standing outside in Ekikanya, and when a roommate. You that is standing outside and I when a roommate. And when I'm wearing them bikra came when she no home in the Kekara, Huna Dubai roommate, Huna England and a roommate. Hana Habara Hakupo. Or America on your lane bisa. A Huno Glan, Huna here to put Ranama. Imasha wana ha bosso in your no food. And when I hear to put Radim outside, I'm on this godly hour. And what about me who walk here and all you make video? Iga man of he disturb one roommate at Opori and Gongo outside. This is how they live there. This is how they when they become roommate these people they are here choco because they got walk they got one their life for their whole life watch to live to even in no sooner go here to go as a nurse in England unless you own your own business, I'm not going to business or any business. I have a company, I have this, I have this. You got mad that's in and how can they put the money? Like everybody in Germany. One day when they go to England. Who all this charge and bell roommate? Here who no kiaji no outside in a parianya at this golly hour. Oh mama mosquito. Oh mama who equip a bit like we are. Oh mama walk a bit like we are. Oh my because actually in England there. And we who do man hapota. Ima piano will like kitianas. Or wape. Or what? And we who any part of pen I know there. Because the Nigeria lepa. The Nigeria lepa. Imagine heading no at the middle of nowhere. A kitianas ne pariana. If Pegijanocha in their house a me program. Kegiwu. No at this children marume to get frogara for one place. You must not show us everything. I get the capital. Be made disclaimer. Bapu yeah. In my daytime, what you know about office? I'm a board. I'm charge a bear for office. All the office said that £15 per hour. Would the office in down all your jam for the one 10 pounds. You know this office they got type before you know it. Ishabari legi. Ile paycheck ya 2,000 pounds so per 1 month. 2,000 pounds so him man no aga per month. There ile dia ya ku ugwo ya ku ugwo candle. Ha say we self the sometimes ha agbanye oku ha agbanye candle. To maka when electricity even self again no ya ga hapụ oku anya na enwu 24/7 America. I only can chase for all but mommy always leave the light on. Onye. Actually sometimes see how in England will okukeza hayana boya. Candle to making it to save lights. Onya, ihe ojiri gbapote ekiti na sonwu. Get working. And no. Majority of these people are to go and learn how to speak up English. Oh, you speak good. You speak good. Hey. Oh, nothing more. As a Chinglish. Ijele nigga korokoro. Rubbish. As old as I get the mukan. Oshiya no yo ya. You jacket to sushi everywhere. On my kege shielu or anything and that say how. Yamra boja konyo. Look at this got the our man on one side. Ebe, mema program, motor away. Have you seen this man drive a car? Have you seen this man? Bia oga, him na drive na America 5 cars. Lost. Ina here. Lostly. Enwo we brigo. Enwe ke we brigi. Enwe ke we brigi. Enwe ke we brigi. Itigi shiga won. Or insurance major ku elu ishi ha. Go and ask people how much is insurance. People are not because of insurance. Now, a city of Chicago demands every year get change a city sticker. Not only that, now he gets Gana motogi. Not before every year na Chicago nane. Okay, can I get how many people you prefer to take bus? Some of them because they cannot afford it. More or less, more driving. And then in a luxury, go and buy motor 10,000, 20,000, 3,000, 4,000. We're talking about hundreds, 200, 300,000. The cheapest cam na la. They call the cheapest cam, the cheapest Mercedes. They pay here. The cheapest Mercedes they pay here. I'm a kanye bulala other ones. They carry motor everywhere. But every day joke. Ana ha motor in England. Father of English. Ana ha English ke bare suno obodo Igbo. Our English in na ahonu eduola gone ka na ejokwu aga. Orube megeji abekwa bike. Ebe no sha bike re no mma. Ya urubekwa bike, gba no bike anye ho. Oga be ma pege one of the bike is like one of my son. $500. Ga gbagba ma. Orube mega ya bekwa na ne because moto no wumbe. Orube mega bu ime mbe. Nya moto. Aburu go no poverty. Chege giga men England ni ne enyi gi nwoke. E deport or finally ya ho ya na nga. Ana Udele. Orube mega ban inside the keken na pepa ho na paria London. Orube. Evid aga di nwoke ge hu go make video aga. Peken pem. Orube mega shi oruola mamge abaturu onwe m uru. Orube. Look at you. Wasted. And that's from man okporobo rubbish English. And then I'm ebuko bianya. I shall dog of a man. Poverty have strangled your generation. And so nan English iketero. Sumana nani ai tomage. The English suma ai tomage. We need other thing. Dog of a man. Stinking dog of a man. The lie is not broken, is breaking. Stinking dog of a poverty idiot. Sumana nani poro big grammar isu chana niga baraka la Nigeria. I posted my farming acres of lands. Asu chabe emechabe mo. You know that community mbatarage timbu. That community where I enter. Emechabe mo. Aga me clear the place. Nwanyi ni ibe ya ha n'onu. Nwoke ni ibe ya ha n'onu. Una go see land they choke. Yeah, I just bidro preamble. Ma jo hashi. Can I? Because when we get jizuma, ojabiha, they will stop selling you. So ma jo kwa mo do okay. Hashi yes, you can come back. You will money me na ni ni kweshiri me na ni. Even mefe. Because hashi, ye jara anwe ewu. Ye jachu nnewu nwa. OMG, nye extra those one because I know I will return back. I posted that and some people are like English, ma John. Uno dana su big grammar. How far market? Na any small thing in kaposu una intimidated. Chere no aka woro no mbo. Owo mu no unu na emeku ihe. Agbara mu na don't promise am. Agbara mu no shi this year. Una anhu na investment una amara no wo Ogechi. Ona eme ka ona eme. Oneme ka ona heme. This is just the beginning. Chere from now to 2 months. Ma pian no ya. Nlebema. And the ejima like me ba nlebema ma reply man no. Nlebema because you can see a lot of tears. A lot of lip tears. Obana karamini. On the car, you're not broken. Agari everywhere. You sensitive. Oh, he made in your go dos to ni nenona abujono. Go China and dia ni make kiri. You never see. You don't get Udele no nge. Make your basho shega. Iga no England do. So no English da ho so ban dia. Don't return. Do not return. Oh, I'm the mumu woke de kaga de more less. Okay. Oh, I'm post we like this one abarewa. Ga ho ha. Abarewa. And menu chere no. Ma nne me mechi anya na ma agbadim me ha na ma agwazi ya na emere mi ya sha okay. Cause ona ashim jiri ya nwayo. Oge ona even iwe hunu Ghana. Yes. Because amana m shihem kogawo ashigi wuore ego ulo. Yeah. A lot of you guys say we think come faculty une sites. One idiot me brother am na zo ala na bush ma no wonder. You will know a mentality of a child when that child talks. No wonder. No wonder. I can relate to your stupidity. Ndubekwa ala hu 1 naira generation oge cannot buy those acres. Anama azo plots. Anama azo plot. Akariala me azo plots of lands. Akariala mba acres. Ohim neme ndala cherenu Oh no, but like this, no Ogechi nation. I'm clear the whole village. Amazing. Make I show you this dog of a man. You be America, you be England, they go Beke. So Marania.
She has to explain. You know, so in closing, king of the game is fine. He's in good spirits.
Oh, the same language.
It's not broken, it's not shaking. These legal teams are doing everything they need to do within the legal route. Most of you may think nothing has been done. Things have been done, but I can't say things that have been done. You know, this is now a legal issue.
You know how confused it is. Things have been done. I'm not gonna say things have been done. And ask Katal, a bit of a scatter wuno. Oh, bit of a scatter wuno. There wasn't what is going on. You know explanation. You will explain tire. Let me I don't know my doggy. You must come and explain. You can have a dog of a man every day. You can have Udele is not broken. Mua, you will come and be updating us. Hey, I'm not gonna say this is done. Hey, this is. You see how messed up. Even on your leg, your front, you get Bemana on a video. You have shown that you are not man enough. The same law enforcement, the same judiciary system Udele was praising few years back and few days back and few months back. Udele was telling us that is the best judiciary system, that Nigerians are doing better job on Nnamdi Kanu. Nigerians are doing what they're supposed to do. Is this now, you know, not at the defensive side. Now the Nigerian government is no longer showing mercy, right? Any hole where you dig for anybody when you go for them. On the Bible, go to Psalms. It's just a matter of the best justice in this world is time. I remember when I can't name me, and all of people when that the best justice in the world time. You know time. Nobody may carry time. And the Abiyahana. By then had I know it's a share, which is the word I hate the most. Had I know. I don't like to use it. I don't wish to use it. When time Biaginishi, the only judgment I had is all about time. Any who law leads the green game with the Hoya through east, game with their west, game with their north, or game with their south. Oh, Gabriela. You want to go? Okay, Tiki Hina. Udelama Chogage. Ama Chogage. I want to go. A day to my. I'm a chogagi. I like him on women. I like my every opportunity with an enemy here. Not this one. Oh my goodness. Aquadem or woman. Or Quadem or woman. As I say, when him made a giga chomo. As I say, let channel left and right. I never wronged you. I cho home gale, I cho home gala. But this idiot, a dog of a pig. I have never met this dog of a shaken pen. I've never met him before. Idiot to be he discuss my innocent, precious gift God in him. I'm imbecile. Oh, I'm not here. Idiot, this educated as oh so this pig has shower. This pig a shower mononya wakawa. A shower near that gave back to him wakawa. A dog of an animal. Mamonyo, God in heaven, bear me witness. Every day Jotana Boma Yanu Dela. Put on social media and discuss soon. I wouldn't know discussing about me. Got my case involved. That's it. This lost and found. This Udele is not broken. This dog of an animal, abalo be don't poyan London. She a coma gala. This atụrụ ibe ya no London agbamachana onwechara Rolls Royce, nwee Mercedes, nwee luxury houses and cars. Ye jokwu agari. Enwe street in England or man. I don't even know majority of the streets because I know a joke. On the joke, and who any loopholes. In England because so you local cross census in the bar. No, you have better go on in English. Okay, Ndola England. Get back on house where I go English. So what I go English? Hagra Cambridge. Cambridge with no solution. Ma juonoshi. Beke. Ojenye ego. Owu na chanya na Nigeria. Ndeni na je school we chiga ha over and over again. The same Cambridge as hana za hasa. Ma sama. Atunu nda. Nditia. Bera obodo ibori confused. Ama that a day will come, home will start calling you. Idiots. Yeah, one day ga no cha hotel ha bia ji spam la lagi bedi. Hindi ga no cha. Anything what they call it Airbnb. Few months ha ga no ga ha nuclear lagi bed. Because enweke ha because they don't know how hard it is to work and save money.
We are following the legal route. We are patient. We are not in a hurry. At the end of the day, we'll come to that will of justice. You know, guys, if you do get any invite into any WhatsApp group, please do not accept. If any number calls you up, trying to talk you into parting with your money, trying to support Ijele, that is not from us.
Okay.
That is not from me.
Thank God.
That is not from Ijele. We are not seeking for any financial assistance.
Okay.
For now, we are good and fine. Just know if you do get any such call, like the guy who called me yesterday, the number was calling him from Nigeria, asking him to join a WhatsApp call at 10 p.m. I asked him, listen, bro, you better...
You a criminal. You are a born criminal. Onogini Igbo born onogini hu. Morning channel ye. Iwo accept the shame. Udele nwe ihere e deport wa ya aka na deport ya ruo na. Udele nwe ihere deport wa ya ka na esusu. O ma hu na enwere mgbe ọ ga-awụ ihe megide nwoke age na eru ga ba na onwe guru. Now being useless. I don't know why you are ashamed of you guys being useless. That is all destiny will not hate the rune now. Why are you ashamed that you are soliciting for fund? Why? I don't know why you are ashamed this part. You are really ashamed. Hey, Chineke. Hey. This dog of a pig on your ocean. Na bazi also ni nyere ya. Oh, nyere na tu. Because
nothing to do with us. And today, she thinks she's half smart. You know, with her silver flu in her brain. She's posting it, trying to pin it on someone else. Now, let me say this, guys. When you see people that are half smart, people that are so thick in their brain, she is trying to post it, blurring out their account number. I think that bank is pulled up.
So, blending out the account number. Wait, guys, let me show you Ebema blood. The reason why MG blood, because I don't want them, I don't want my people, none of my page to promote it. I posted it before people start telling me, okay, cover it up. You know who they any excuse? You do not have any excuse to hide. Now, let me show you the complete open account. I'm not gonna blood it, honey. You don't even have nothing to hide in this case. Because criminals. The reason why I covered it up because I told me they promote Oshino. Guys, look at it. Lekwaya. Lekwa the pure account. Lekwaya the same account on WhatsApp. Lekwaya. Lekwa the group. The only she created. Lekwaya the same Udela. Udela's account. Udela's account. Now me shigi. If you have not seen it, Lekwaya. Lekwa Udela's account. Lekwaya. Lekwaya the great Udela. Lekwa no Udela. Boya. If we are lying that this is Udela's number. Call this number and check if it's the same the WhatsApp. Because and a change number change if the number is registered in Nigeria. I want you guys to clear me. And a change number change if the number is registered in Nigeria. Please, with a number send the Udela number. Mama, when any other person use this number if it's not Udela. You see how this idiot Jabo where you this number now? As Udela way you know. See whether is any other person bearing this number if it's not Udela to date. And the lay account number who posted it to Udela. You see how bloody those shiade. There, the great Udela, the same number added. Check it on your phone. Check the same number if Udela has changed his number. Mama no ke she clone number Udela register in Nigeria. I'm not register this number really. Man usia because this great Ijele added Bikono added all these people gonna go. Jino the number J man when any other person use this thing now Udela. Ndori group of Ndori. Go and check it. The Ndoshinama. Chelema the onye kwela ha 2 million. Lekwa onye kwela ha 2 million. Lekwa in that page. Lekwa okwa the same Ndi Igbo kwela ya lekwa 2 million in the same account number. In the same account number 2 million naira. Unwoshi criminals. Ejibunu na akpa amu. Igago le harole. Onyori. Igago le harole. Ega gole harole kama juke ndoshi na ndama. The bank kill 10,000 naira. Ega gole harole. This. Ibereshe disregard. So you hear megi. The kwa the semo. Abraham get number ahu. Le kwa ya number Udela. The great Udela. Le kwa ya. The great Udela. Le kwa ya. Tehune. Ga check no number. Mama with the same number Udela they use it today. Go and check it. Go and check it. Here me bunu. Okay, you know how this old man came out here to lie. And how he came out to lie because of here. Type in that number now. What's up? Check him or Udela where any other person that is using it. For those of you that have been following him, you see how lying trash you have made yourself a caricature of a liar. So they make it here. So you are not ashamed of una stupidity. And I mean, end up your doings. End up your doings. Are you no longer the odogu? The no broken? Why are you shaming your stupidity? Disregard? No. So who name is here? Oh, Choi. Ashi. You want ajiri akamu we ezid. I don't want ajiri akamu we gonna ezid. Ezid. Oh, you want ajiri akapego we. Maybe they hear you lying son of a nobody. Maybe they hear you.
It's polarized. Right? If she would publish the picture of a little girl who has nothing to do.
Do you have common sense? If you and Udela will sat down for months discussing my children, calling them names, knowing fully well that none of my kids were any disability, you came the same way you make up stories, came out online and be lying against my innocent precious children, knowing fully well that I had nothing and anything that has to do with imbecile children. But you use it to men, to damage negi na nage, to damage apa negi apa afo negi. That is who you are. Lying son of a bitch. You a pathological liar. You a cloned bloody son of a liar. That is who you are. Oh, you know. So you can only get deny you know broad daylight. Now add the people with the same number. Capital. With the same account with the language. Deny. What more can't you deny? Who is he? Who is the innocent child? My children, you and Udele. Who is Udele? That one ain't future. Have you ever think about what that girl's future will be like by having a father like Udele? Have you ever think about it? Let people when a mental has raised you adopt. Because that child has no future. As far as he came out from somebody like Udele, her future is gone. Tomorrow night end there up. Ban up on the streets. Because nobody to guide her. On your way free. Friends, your way free. When you know connection of survivor. Can't you see? Can't you see? When 5 years don't you think something is wrong, honey? Did I get an innocent child? My children you bullied? Ashma madu hana kubu madu kubu again Udele. Look at them. Innocent child. What are you calling innocent child? Hey, magic panya biromuge. Let me jianya bire that you're smiling makwana mwona. Me jianya bire ha. Amadu ha kuwogi gen.
In this instance, use it to make a venomous video.
Venomous video.
If you would publish people's personal numbers,
you look at
what stops them from publishing that bank account?
Yeah.
This is to tell you how daft.
You see how you just shot yourself. You see how you just shot yourself. That's why I showed the whole world the thing you are denying. You see all the video you made yesterday. What is the game? See how you are denying the simple truth. Because each other can publish here on my page. Now I have shown them what I posted yesterday. Do you still have any other defense? Oh yeah, bring it on. I'm here. Bitch. Who period? Come on, bring it on. Come on, let's play. Dog of a pig.
They are. All they're trying to do, they're trying to paint a picture that their fraudulent God of man said on his pulpit that we will come on social media to ask for money. We would not come on social media.
We Chorija, cover your shame. Oh, because daddy mupuru nega bianego. Oh, now I see why you're. Oh, the shame is too much. Now I can understand it perfectly. Oh, because my daddy, nwoke di ebube. Ofonye tiri wani ne ja. Oduguji na madu. Only Chineke Jaron, the only true man of God na Nigeria. The only true man of God. Nwoke tu go from afo. Anyamuma maramana afo. The powerful man of God. Only gift to ya make it way for him. Because who name way gift. And when he heard it goes to that is wife. Who life unuji messed up. Shame alafona. Opu ye mezugo. Oh, is that why you are denying your identity? Is that why you guys are running from una shadows? Oh, too late. Anywhere you are, no me. Anywhere you are, no me. Oh, is it because the prophecy my daddy gave na Attire that you will beg and beg money? Nah, idiot ekuola wa oje deny. Amumone bu marayama. Amumone bu marayama. Ihone me marayama. So, is that why you are ashamed to accept that you guys are begging and crawling, even picking from the crops? Oh, me. Bible she come wonu ya happy gabiga elugbeno. I can't go wonu happy image elugbeno wa gabiga. Imakona dadin we prophet. Imana dadin we prophet. Imana etere udeni ma fonne. Imanu goko tuputa. You can never be like him. Bible she your character make it way for you. God gave my daddy a gift. And don't you make ways for him. I'm a no gift. Akarakunu problem from Turkey deportee to Nigerian jail. That is Akarakunu, and we must continue to you new Akarakunu. Akarakage speak English and end up in England. The word phrase. No wonder. Equally ebe reason is that no share pota. Oh, now you have made it open. No one. How can somebody be denying her own shadow? Sorry, his own shadow. How can somebody be denying his own? Imana Ndi Igbo shi onye iri ihe jiri ko yo no wa chema chibi achibi. One iye ni ya daddy jiri. Oh, now understand. Nagoma, na keep on goma. Die. No wonder. How can this idiot be denying that in down doshi? But a honor account ununa. A honor account ununa. So now shame with the catch one. No wonder. No wonder. No, mommy. You are disturbing us. No wonder the devil is back. Hi. How can somebody be running away from shadow? Yeah? How can somebody be denying? I got block account on that way. I appreciate account. Hey.
When the time reach, we will source for the phone to do the legal battle. This is all they are doing. You know, and anyone is free to consider anyone as their Alpha and Omega. Now, this is to tell you the cycle of your God of man. The cycle is that of fellow criminals. I call them criminals and I stand by it. The activities says it all. You know, the activity says it all. So, please, share this video, put it out there. Ijele has no access to his phones. The data that have been put out of that phone were fraudulently obtained through compromise from the few corrupt police officers in area zone 7. Who took someone's phone, they unlawfully detained and took his phone, extracted this information and passed it to this criminal group. And today, they are making bold of it. Displaying the picture of an innocent girl who has nothing.
You a bastard. Oh, stop, don't cry. It's too early to cry. Don't cry. The same Nigerian people you guys were singing, the same police Nigerian people you guys were singing praise on. Oh, sing the praise now. Who is an innocent girl? The one that a father molested? The little girl that Udele raped constantly? What I created 5 years, is that who you call an innocent girl? You must be a bloody sucking bitch. Who is innocent girl? Oh, come on, spare me all that bullshit. Don't cry. You go see case. Abarangi go see case. Let me be honest with you. Ima no na akpa akwa problem unu, omu awu problem unu. Let me be honest with you. Omu awu your Udele biggest problem. It's not even Ako. It's not Ebukobi. Yaunu mwanyi memo. If you know the reason deeply and observe with una common sense. Ono makarema mbata n'okwu unu ka okwu unu change. Njaka nge pudobe. Ya wuru ni unu nwere brain. Unu kare mata na mgbe mpatara na mata. Ima Udele have been doing this. Udele na-eme. If I bring this thing, I brought it to two persons very important. That shouldn't happen. Shia, if you leave this guy, onye ha lukuru or what do you catch ibuze buru? Or what diverted she ibido han lema uno manonye problem uno omuma. It's not even a Bukobi, it's not a Omwa merunu ji tabana holu unu today. Enwone he mpakuku meji before ya Oshin oge nwam. Because I will market and all to all like a chanamotu more than all grandchildren yanine. Because I'm an warrior. Oshin wam. Ehunu onye gbara gị egbe awu problem oge. Owu onye kpụrụ gakashile kwa nge haidere. Oh ya your biggest problem. Udele akashia lekwa ngo haidere. Yes. Imara aru me ego eji lo nne gị efu okporo. Hini ne mgbara ga go and write it down. Omu wa Udele akashile kwa ngo shiba and lekwa ngi shi agba ya di egbe gị enwe Ishi ba agba ya ga emi sie ya. Yeah. Apa mkpụrụ ya aka na Istanbul wayo ya. A na-emegide ihe. Godide ngwara ihe hama. Oh. A na-emegide Udele ihe. Apa mgbe m gwara gị na ọmụ problem Udele from Istanbul bụ akwa ịhụ na the petition. Udele ndị pọpụ chọgara deport gị. Naanị mma ahụ na he n'ihe ahụ iji. And maka m ji mata na ndị Turkey anakwa eju ihe gbasara nwaanyị egwu. You not talk ihe ọla Muslim, they know they take maka m ji So this is true. I never knew until that thing took place. You guys thought Udele mmadụ na-eme mmadụ ihe claim ọmụ na-agwa gị ya. No more your biggest wahala. So here this your dog of a pig ye ni go ka puga. Omo agakwa wo pen ya. I just ugboro onwe ya that ojulo onwe ya chụ aja in England. Omo wa wo problem unu. Nda unu na agba aha is not at the end that give the truth. Take it, leave it. Come me show shamariga. Did they pay him attention? Omo abatara ruaria ya game nishi. Yes. Because other people win the opportunity to capture the fool. Make we continue the lesson to you. Ige mecha damaja. And which he know I chile. Maybe they
ever to do with it. This is, one thing. I will say this and I say it again for the records. One thing few of these corrupt police officers fail to understand. Their actions and inactions is causing what is called breach of trust relationship. The police is an institution.
But wait, Udele na-apụta bute case ndị mmadụ na-akọ otam shemege explain now. Ka ihe na-agwa ya den. Udele na-eburu case Nnamdi Kanu. And any information inside the anako. And I got all these laws that are behind what he was doing. Because you check through those laws then. You call it a food that is a bridge of institution. Is ama ajuju miti. Udele na-eburu ihe na-eme na ihe mebe bịa bupute ya. Ana clear the secret. Ichetere this laws on ega idega here na. Ko one part of London ega rube then. Ko we just ogari nga ho na take ya no put the sense abia. Oh, ichete ya. Oh, you just reminded it now. Oh, you just remembered it now. Okay, so no. I would that just from he na. That time in our put an support it here. This I know I have brought from Bumbia and a Udele. No. Ebe brew case in Nandikano. Brew case thousands of people. This guy, this man, living faith, right? Buria ne preach privacy the man, ne play voice record do the secret to against his faith. Private messages you are not supposed to release. Did you remember that Omega bridge of privacy? Oh, those laws, you forget them then. Okay. Bikono. Uno mana video who de la mere. That living faith man only play those voices. Actually, man, Bikono will tell me here. My WhatsApp number still remain +312 912 4384. Actually, that video, you can copy the link and share it to me. Eba only play that voice, that I didn't know Jeremiah or that pastor. Only play those voice. Ocean the man is in a small girl so again. Go and bring it. Man, you dog of a pig go kuna. What gave you the right to molest that man without the man consent? You have a private conversation. Oh, you check on a bridge of trust. You check on a bridge of privacy. English. Oh, okay. Maybe they hear you.
To stay. Officers, personnel will come and go. What they fail to understand by their actions and their conduct, many patriotic Nigerians will begin to have a distrust with the police, both in terms of share.
Oh, Ebela. Please, next time talk like a man. Why am I being more confident than you? What? Are you crying? Talk like a man, officer. Come on, talk like a man. Talk like a man. Where the audacity to talk? Check it. That time in Udele. Have you lose your confidence? Like Allah, whatever it takes to defend Udele. You got to bring out your voice up, honey. You got to speak like a soldier. You know, don't be a weak man. Rise up. Speak and open your eyes. Why are you weak? Why are you not showing this weak part of you? Oh, you got to stand up because there is nowhere to be found. Though. You can't walk like yourself. You're not gonna defend again. Why are you choking? So this thing you got to speak up. These people you are their mouthpiece now. You got to give them hope with your confidence. With your alagreja, you got to give them second hope. Because all these muggles, all these brainwashed muggles that are listening to you need you now. Don't cry. Don't give me that sissy voice. You got to talk. You must talk. You got to remove that sissy spirit. You make such a bongono. You won't yara. And when I'm not going to get woku, are lagamo there, get rubbish. Come on, raise your spirit and talk. You got to talk. You let us know. Because you're talking like sissy. We need that man, that's your manhood, you know. Buka. Ma for she gone okay. Or we check out the gang, check a million the gang. Oh, he check. Who put the hang so again. You talk of family man. You back in matralo. Oh. The question is very to back. Don't be this weak anymore. Chineka Bogok.
Valuable, real-time security intelligence, and trusting the police to investigate matters on their behalf. You know, that is the truth. That is the truth. Anyone, for those who are so worried, guys, I can give you my reassurance. Everything is being done within, you know, the time frame within the law. This is a legal matter. We cannot jump the gun. We are not compromising. All we've resolved, we'll follow the due process. We'll follow things tenaciously. It may take a little while, but then justice will prevail. And again, king of the game is not in charge of his phones. He has no access to mobile phones. The only way he communicates is using there's a phone facility. Center. The WhatsApp group you're seeing being floated online posted by the criminal in Chicago, he is the one operating that criminal group with her chronics. I have personally looked at the API and the IP address. It's pointing to that direction.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Because I would like you to bring out this API and show it to your followers. A lot of people will not believe you. Run a program, bring out the AP address, and show these mugus. They want to see it practically. Stop lying to your shadow. But shadow give that you are the same person. With the time she all the payment and they donate so far. Otam Gigi numbu de la. People should go and search it on WhatsApp. Kamara or another person made it. Oh, so because of my great father, the daddy of our generation, but I get that thing. Oh, mama, you know, she no name is. Don't worry. That accept it. Accept even apology itself. We will not accept it, but accept that the ihe brunishige mezgo. Amumani nebu maranyama. Iyani nebe maranyama. Iyani neme shina fonneya. Ebuko biga deriri. Hey. Igbo. If I go to work late this tomorrow, wait.
They are the ones behind it. Guys, do not part with your money.
Hey.
Do not fall prey for these criminals.
Hey.
They are hungry. They are desperate.
Hey.
They are despicable.
Hey.
They are dirty. They are filthy.
Hey.
They lack integrity. They lack morals. They lack ethics.
Hey. Hey.
They lack.
Okay, you have all this English and end up like a popper. All this your English. Yeah. This is the Ebela. Come somebody look for handkerchief.
They don't even have a value system. That is as simple as it is. From their God of man to the least of them. These people, they lack everything that defines a decent human being. Decency is not by going to church. It's not by praying. It's not by putting out a fake reputation. Decency is by showing your conduct, ethical conduct, honesty, integrity. When no one is watching you, be of good behavior. You know, but when you saw their behaviors, it's full of criminal tendencies. They behave it, they manifest it, they show it. So guys, I'll leave you here. I'm wishing everyone a beautiful night rest. Please do not join any WhatsApp.
Hey! Chideke mo. Hey!
You are not asking the public for funds.
The one he heard man.
For funds.
Hey!
Asking good Nigerians, citizens for funds.
Hey!
Even those who have reached out, many of you,
Hey!
you can bear witness to that.
Hey!
On all cases, I've said thank you.
Hey!
We know those that are supporting us.
Hey!
We know how we are sourcing our funds.
Hey!
And please, to the general public, do not part with your money to this criminal group. Do not accept any WhatsApp.
Hey!
They will steal your data. They will make you go through pain. They will make you go through, you know, the headache of trying to recover. For now, let us bear the consequences. That yes, the Ijele's phone has been compromised. Yes, they have maliciously, criminally gotten rid of his data. But then we will come to address it at the right time. Thank you all, and good night from here. Sorry, Jenny, we've got lawyers. Now they are working assiduously. Everything is fine. That's all I will say. You know, I can't share anything out of the, you know, anything else.
Sure.
We are holding everything as airtight.
Sure.
Now, thank you guys, and I appreciate you.
This dog of a man is not crying. This dog of a night time. This dog of a man. Dog of a man. See how you are shooting yourself on the leg. It isn't smart. Makachi, you wouldn't have discussed this financial aspect of una criminality raising fund on WhatsApp. See how you now you just discourage everybody. But now, on ga akwala. I wish I would put the account. I'm on with the account. You know that all do shoe no at the WhatsApp group. You know guys, so for those of you that are just joining now, make a show now. Oman and were people everywhere. Oman before Udele, Ogechi has been existing. And Udele was on all social media. Before Udele, Ogechi has been existing. And when people everywhere. And when Ndoma window jaw. Udele, bia. Guys, come and see. Ikirionyoshi. So far so. So far so. Udele Nema appreciate. Udele support. Hey! Udele. So, una choki here munu na my daddy kuru na emechu ni ihe no ga aryo he go na blue app no ga happen. Lepa no one of our Igbo brother with 2 million naira nye. One of our Igbo brother with 2 million naira nye. Hey! But the thing is, my Igbo brother na takwana am with 10,000. Chai! Oh no. Bia lekwa di account Ishi mepere bo nyewa account so aro nnegi chimezie apari onyu oshi. So because of that thing kuru no ga riori ego ohiji gbapụta ime post that thing ga be under comment section onye post video ah chire ma ga ba hum post return chire ga post video ah ma comment on that. So oya ka ibia bia shigi ka ibia disclaimer imanu che nwere ego nda kwela akwe na account number giji mepadla no nwu na ebere. So you guys na emechi here like this. He did not tell Udele to nwetu here for once as a man. All this happen rubbish happen. Let me tell you, Alemma. E nwere ihe mgbara gị bondashim. Ya ru na akụ na Mozambique. Ihe ga na ashe. Lotano Nigeria. Lotaro Nigeria. If I come to Nigeria, none of these miscreants cannot even touch Ebemno. Ishi, so I don't pay this trash attention. I don't pay trash attention. All this so much. Can they come close to me? Ya wouldn't be my people with my okay. And who jana pattern there because I'm nanda watono. If they could not do aton Udela, piece of Udela, if they couldn't do anything to Udela, what do you think that none of these people want anything? I don't know why you keep mentioning this. Happen Haji that one cruise where? How many things can Haji la cruise on Ishi? How many talk can Haji la cruise? Hagaba Pashana, Ugochukwa happen. Ugochukwu Menaka, Canon Cash and Ugochukwu is getting old. Mbao, make one no get old, make one get young. Military stuff for butter. Military stuff. I want Chana beat here to take Shinomen okay. Yes, he's aging and he's good. Because anybody that is not aging with a problem. A problem. Anything to talk. I don't pay trash attention. Because only kind of more. These people cannot boast for common 50 million. They cannot even boast for common 50 million. Udele is begging for case, just a little thing. What can this trash do? There was in they don't like to pay attention. Allow them to be cruising with that statement. Allow them to cruise it. No problem. Ashi, eruna again acho amara mbena bunkebu okay. You want to go? Why are you denying the money you guys are generating on WhatsApp? Akuchi account on Ogechi nam the wicked. Namdu ega sa hapu de la kona na putega the police in area for free. Ega sa hapu de la kona ekutu mesomo. Agora ulugario imagine like a case is no longer my daddy. People do Ezekiah, that man I be Ezekiah. Living Faith Church. As far as he putara, even a wooden anya, Gehu dam maybe granite militants. Kaplan Yake dealing with getting off for you. Imana the woman in on Gane record. A shawi or Jamaica na record do again. Igano yage play na court. The case onyaru. Go and mark today's date in Ambra. Be a dog of a man, a Jabana England. Listen, come here. So you will pass this information to them. The day they went to Udele, went to militant, they born a banga soup. Banga soup, that is the banga soup. Mwanya hogra na kene banga soup. Omwana owu a member of gene of for you. Kedan had this man. Oman owu church member the woman with a shower hair. Imam hano dia na record ogi. The voice are there. Be jab. Get to the militant. The militant record gisha get choro pangoja join egi I destroy the man. They will play the voice in the court. Mark, go and write it on Lambaka today. Udele, Iga no daya. You go here when Iga no daya. Ashimge, you know these people when I'm this you have not broken. Very soon, a guy who's here blew up. Very soon, Ogala Ishi mini. Ogala, I'm not just an Muslim shimmy now, Tony Jakopata. Oh, Imana Haji record ogi. Ebe garena shawa record ogi. Militant say gi me tishi kashi a fight ega no ba. You. Or we can live in faith. Nteni ni mene he ba kwa. people that you made them to cry. You get Emma, when you're not you're not broken, our lawyer is working. Which lawyer? Our lawyer and the church and bear now. Okay. I try me mama case in that Bobble. It's Bobble and I really got secret. You got no him anyway. Guys, I need to go and sleep. I want in the morning. I'm not jobless like all these idiots. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Bia, accept. Just accept it. Accept your fate. It's part of the game. If you can't beat them, you join them. But we cannot gonna allow you to join us. So, Ebewele, look at you. Be a man. Talk like a man. No,